Hello, friends. Today, we are going to learn about numbers. Numbers are everywhere around us, and they are super fun to learn about. Starting with single digit numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. These are the building blocks for making bigger numbers. Now, let's talk about two digit numbers. These numbers start from 10 and go up to 99. In a two-digit number, the number on the left side shows the tens place and the number on the right side shows the ones place. For example, in the number 56, the 5 represents 5 tens, which is 50, and the 6 represents 6 ones, so 56 is 50 plus 6. Moving on, we have three-digit numbers. In a three-digit number, we have the hundreds place, tens place, and ones place represented by H, T, and O. For example, in the number 256, the 2 represents 200s, which is 200, the 5 represents 5 tens, which is 50, and the 6 represents 6 ones. So, 256 is 200 plus 50 plus 6. The place value of a digit depends on its position in the number. For example, in the number 256, the place value of 2 is 200s or 200, the place value of 5 is 5 tens or 50, and the place value of 6 is 6 ones or 6. The face value of a digit is simply the digit itself, no matter where it is placed in the number. In the number 256, the face value of 2 is 2, the face value of 5 is 5, and the face value of 6 is 6. Expressing a number as a sum of its place values is called the expanded form. Let us take our previous number. We know all its place values. All we need to do is add these place values. Hence, 200 plus 50 plus 6. This is nothing but the expanded form of 256. To compare three-digit numbers, first we compare the digits at the hundreds place and then tens place and at lastly the ones place. Let us compare the numbers 528 and 536. Which one is lesser? Since the digits in the hundreds place are the same, we look at the tens place. 2 is less than 3, so 528 is less than 536. Arranging numbers from smallest to biggest is called ascending order. For example, if we have the numbers 498, 567, 834, and 715, the ascending order would be 498, 567, 715, 834. Arranging numbers from biggest to smallest is called descending order. For example, if we have the numbers 826, 736, 582, and 914, the descending order would be 914, 826, 736, 582. Let's talk about even and odd numbers. If we have a group of 6 apples and divide them into pairs, there won't be any apple left over. Numbers that can be fully grouped into pairs are called even numbers. Now, let's take a group of 7 oranges and try to divide them into pairs. There will be 1 orange left over. Numbers that cannot be fully grouped into pairs are called odd numbers. That's it for today, friends. We hope that you have understood the topic. You can now study chapter notes, watch video lectures, and solve MCQ tests of this chapter on EduRev to ensure you score well in your school exams. And that's not all. You also get amazing courses for maths, science, English, Hindi, and much more for class 2. Thank you.